Ukrainian soldiers bomb Russian military positions and send invading troops fleeing.
The Ukrainian Center for Strategic Communications said the attack was carried out by members of the 30th Mechanized Brigade, named after Prince Konstanty Ostrogsky, a formation of the Ukrainian ground forces. The Ukrainian military said on May 24, specialists of the 30th Separate Mechanized Brigade named after Prince Konstantin Ostrogsky tested the racists on the run.
The footage shows Russian soldiers fleeing as bombs rain down on buildings, trenches and armored vehicles.
Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. Today marks the 91st day of the campaign.